Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. And last Wednesday expiry before Diwali holidays, it was Bank Nifty which gave us trouble, and today it is Nifty which is giving us trouble. Look at the way it is moving. It is simply undigestible. From 18,100, if you see the 15 minutes time frame in your chart, it is in 15 minutes from 18,100 levels, it came to 17,800, 850 levels, 250 points move, and immediately it is recovering. This is a V-shaped recovery, right? They tell it as a V-shaped recovery, or you can say it's a two-way move. Now, see, I was short in the market, and if you think this 4 days of holiday where I slept peacefully, I couldn't even sleep peacefully. This is the life of a trader. I was short in the market. Even though I tell people don't go take positions when you have long weekends, I personally don't do these things. Like, I took a position, I was short in the market, I shorted the market, seeing 18,000 should be a good resistance on the upside, and I shorted the market and see what is happening here. Anyway, we tried to manage and we effectively managed the position. We didn't make any profit or any loss. So these are the markets. Now what I'm thinking, instead of following FIAs, I should be following some traders, or I should be going into Twitter and see what people are talking about. I don't think what FIAs are doing. I don't think FIAs are any relevant anymore. They keep on selling, still the markets are able to sustain. Means I think the power is shifting from FIAs, GIAs to retailers. I don't know, maybe I may be wrong, but I think personally I think these retailers are making the market move like this violently or whatsoever. And as we talk now, US futures are in the green, and even European futures are in the green, and Asian futures are also in the green. And today morning, if you know what happened is, today morning I checked my mobile, and Hang Seng was down, Nikkei was down, Kospi was down in the sense it was not in the deep red, it was not deep in the red, it was marginally in the red. And once we went into the day, and eventually US markets were in the green, and European markets came into the green, and all were green. And you know what happened? Even a small green in the US market, we are starting to jump, and we jumped like anything. This kind of move I have not seen in the recent past. That is the kind of volatility we are experiencing. And let me tell you, I thought only October was very volatile, and this November is even more volatile. And if you see the Nifty 50 chart, out in Nifty 50, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, ICICI is having 35% weightage in Nifty 50. Out of this four stocks, only Reliance and HDFC Bank were flat, and Infosys was marginally in the green. It was up by 1% or 1.25%, and even this ICICI Bank was down by 1.7%. Even though heavy weights were not in the green, Nifty is moving violently like this, moving 200-250 points without the support of FIIs. FIIs, FII story, FIIs are net sellers. They have been selling more than 25,000 crores till now. Last month they have sold for 25,000 crores. Even Moharat Trading, they are sellers. They sold around 363 crores. So this market is kind of very much volatile, and really it is pathetic. And before and all, option selling was very easy. It is not going to be a easy stuff going forward. That is what I feel. You let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you see this open interest data, today morning I saw highest open interest was on 18,000 call, and after the second part of the trading session, the opposite is happening. Highest open interest is on 18,000 put. So now what? We have to consider that 18,000 is going to be the good support. So then what happened? What was the scenario today morning? Now 18,000 18,000 call option people are writing, and after the second part of the trading day, they are writing puts. Morning they are writing calls and evening they are writing puts. So this is what I see. 18,000 is having the highest open interest. 17,900, 18,000 is having the open interest, and people are writing 18,100 straddles or whatever. And if you see the monthly chart of Nifty, there is a significant call writing. Yeah, highest open interest today 18,000. Highest put OI was highest open interest input was in 18,000 put option. So people are aggressively writing 18,000 put option, and that should be a good resistance, I believe. I don't know. So at least now what previously I was thinking 18,000 is going to be the good resistance. Now I am thinking 18,000 is going to be the good support. So that is what the data says. And if you see the bank Nifty, it's a different story. It is scattered all over the place. So 39,500 is going to be the good support, and I think that is the low today. I am not sure. And on the monthly historical chart, if you see, if there is a strong resistance at 40,000. So these things and all, I don't know. Now this FII data, open interest data, no matter how much you analyze this data, or no matter how much you see what is happening, what is the fundamental, what is the corporate result, what is happening in the market, I am not able to grasp what is like happening in the market, like who is really moving the market. Like as I told you before, should we avoid this FIA and DAs and keep follow retail traders, like what happened in US 6 or 7 months back? Should we game like what happened to GameStop? Should we do like that? I really don't know. But do you think retail people in India are having so much power? I really don't know. That's what I'm saying. I've been telling all the time, and I am telling now also. The thing is, I'm not able to accept these retail traders. Are we having so much of power? Can we move the market like what is happening now without the support of FIIs or DIIs? I really don't know. If you know what is, do retailers really have so much of power, you let me know. So this is what is happening, and as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green. SGX is trading around 25-30 points in the green. So hopefully tomorrow should be a gap up, and I think markets are likely to go towards 18,600. So 18,600 is the lifetime high of Nifty, and that is going to be a good resistance, and we should be testing 18,600. And we have only 3 more trading session. At least for this trading session, it should be expiring below 18,600 and above 18,000. So that's what I think. And who knows what is going to happen tomorrow. Like what happened today, 15 minutes time frame. If you see the first 15 minutes of today, Nifty was down by 250 points. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow also, if it happens, I really don't know what is going to happen. So we will have to wait and see.